Welcome to Swag Zone. On familiar roads, sometimes even a small decision can lead to unexpected situations. Today's video offers real-life perspectives that help us better understand the importance of safety behind the wheel. Watch calmly, take a moment to reflect, and learn from each experience. Credit to the responders who arrived quickly to assist those involved. Timely coordination helped stabilize the situation after the collision. A concrete mixer suffered brake issues on a long downhill section, leading to a chain reaction across both lanes. Thankfully, calm responses afterward showed how awareness matters even in difficult moments. Hard to believe they were still sitting there afterward. It seems luck decided to stop by that spot today. Wow. Moments like this remind us that safety is the real treasure. What a tense moment. One technical issue on a mountain pass can turn a routine drive into a major challenge. It's a strong reminder of how vital vehicle checks are before the journey. A slippery road can turn simple moves unpredictable. Luckily, it's a gentle reminder to slow down when conditions change.
No hay nadie. No hubo nada que lamentar.
The intention was good, but the result turned a bit messy. At least it leaves a clear lesson about safe distance.
Giờ là phí. Yêu, 我靠！哇，厉害！哇，霸道！可以。
The price of carelessness. Fortunately, things didn't go too far. Safety should always come first. The container truck suddenly lost balance and overturned, putting surrounding traffic under pressure. It looks intense, but thankfully, this is only a simulation reminding us that trains always have the right of way. One moment was enough to slow the entire highway, and enough to remind us that safety always comes before speed. That hill seemed rather demanding today. The truck had to turn back in a way no one planned. The worksite was calm until sudden chaos arrived. Timely moves kept trouble away. A dashcam from a car behind captured the moment an oversized cargo truck suddenly overturned on the highway while climbing a slope and taking a curve. Everything happened in seconds, leaving viewers startled. With heavy truck traffic, a single misjudgment can trigger a chain reaction. This highlights the importance of speed control and proper spacing. The video captures the moment a garbage truck overturned on Professor Sandoval Araxelas Avenue in Ponte Verde. The truck was simply too big for the tight space, making the collision hard to avoid. A quiet reminder to stay cautious on the road.
Мы ее высказали, говорят, что там такая точка зрения, вроде всех никто и не требует. Давайте, признавайте, Крым поддерживайте россиян там и кто-то говорит.
Why has the driver involved in this serious incident still not reported to authorities after more than 24 hours? Could this delay affect the process of clarifying responsibility?
Và em bảo bọn kia rồi.
It seems the rider trusted the gap a little too much when crossing. Luckily, the car driver stayed alert and avoided a bad surprise.
Dale, Romao. No, hijo de... Casi que se...
A slightly overconfident turn turned this corn-loaded truck's journey into an unexpected stop on the Macroenal Road. Thankfully, the driver was fine and the moment ended with relief rather than trouble. The moment a big rig flipped on I-95 was captured on dashcam, unfolding in just seconds. A reminder that highways leave no room for carelessness. In Novosibirsk, a Howo truck attempted to avoid a car stopping for a pedestrian, crossed into oncoming traffic, and became involved in a multi-vehicle collision. After hitting the guardrail, the truck suffered a serious incident and burst into flames. Luckily, the driver was safe. An overloaded dump truck struggled uphill, causing its front end to lift unexpectedly, a reminder of how excess weight can quickly get out of control. What caused the truck to suddenly burst into flames before overturning? Was it a mechanical failure, an overloaded vehicle, or just a split second of lost control that turned this road in El Salvador into an inferno? Was it hesitation or misjudged distance? The crash between two trucks tells the story. Two trucks kissed each other in us, and the aftermath was anything but gentle. A brief peck turned into a full-blown mess. Watching this, many would assume the vehicle was gas-powered, as no other reason seems obvious.
Maganda mo na bisa na ito. Hindi na, kapatulin nyo na marami ko eh. Oh, saya tahu kita.
One cable couldn't hold, and the truck took an unplanned route downward. Thankfully, no one was in the wrong place at the wrong time. A collision between a train and an AVM bus occurred in Tlamaco, a Titilaquia, affecting several people. At a river crossing in Pecora, a tractor suddenly broke through the ice when it could no longer support the weight. While traveling on an inter-commune road in Hai Hung, Nam Dinh, a container truck suddenly lost balance and overturned, colliding with an oncoming gas delivery vehicle. Driving while fatigued always carries risks. This incident is a reminder that proper rest is never optional. In eastern China, a drowsy semi-truck driver drifted into a highway barrier.
야, 조심해. 오, 야.
On muddy, slippery ground, the Yen 740 spins a clean 180 degrees and stops right where the excavator waits. Looks like the driver tried to save a few minutes with a 40-ton drift. When a heavy truck stops listening to its brakes, the bridge turns into an unexpected stopping point. A truck hauling an oversized load crashes into a ditch, climbs an embankment, and ends up back on the roadway. A tragic situation unfolded as a concrete mixer truck left the roadway and overturned into the roadside ditch. After forgetting to engage the handbrake while grabbing fried chicken, a truck rolled downhill, mounted the sidewalk, and smashed into a power pole in Songkhla. A pedestrian nearby narrowly avoided disaster. One careless steer, and the car had nowhere to go but the wall. Roads are not a place to test your luck.
Tylko wspomnienia po roku czasu, ale lepiej
Rodzina Państwa niedziela w Stasinie odwiedził nasz kot. A w faktach 19 zajrzymy na Mazury, sprawdzimy jak aktualnie wygląda tam ruch turystyczny.
A hydraulic jack failed and the truck decided to take an unplanned break. Gentle reminder, always check your vehicle, machines aren't perfect. The incident occurred in Kalina when an industrial water truck was involved in a collision. Traffic was briefly affected, highlighting the importance of safety when operating specialized vehicles. Heavy lorries have large momentum and longer reaction times, putting smaller vehicles at higher risk when driving too close. A Pan-United cement truck lost stability after contacting a private minibus.
of profit that the paper makes is plowed back into making
Dios
it
mío, miren,
a
accidente,
better
accidente,
paper.
accidente, accidente, accidente.
Because also allow the post to
Accidente,
higher
accidente.
going in smooth room.
No one ordered, yet the produce still got delivered on I-95. Too bad the delivery was a bit too forceful. Oh, busy intersections always carry risks. Hoping everyone stays patient and attentive on the road. Thank you for staying with Swag Zone until the very end. We update new situations every day, hoping to bring positive and meaningful perspectives to our viewers. Don't forget to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing the video if you find it valuable. Goodbye, and see you again soon.